What is up, YouTube fam, bruh? So look, bruh. We're back. We're even better, bruh. We're even better. I'm not gonna say what. No, I'm gonna say it, bro. We got a new camera, bro. Yippee! So hopefully everything will be a little bit better looking, as well as maybe not sounding because I don't got a microphone on it, but it'll just hopefully be just a little bit better. Today on the agenda, as you see, the Geek Squad shirt, bro, the Freak Squad shirt. It's another come with me to work type video, bro. And then afterwards, we're gonna do something after when I get off. So yeah, let's get this day started. The Civic, bro. The Civic needs a little love, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta do an oil change soon, and then I gotta check out my rear motor mount again. But currently, the time is 9:05. I was supposed to go to work a little bit earlier, bro, but then I woke up and my alarm went off without me even knowing. So yeah, I was trying to be at work at like what, 8? 9:05 currently. So, but yeah, let's get this show on the road, bro. Let's get this amazing day going, bro. I'll see y'all when I see y'all, bro. Real quick, guys, bro. I just seen this on the way to work, bro. Would y'all wrap y'all's car this color, bro? I don't know how I feel. I be seeing these everywhere. I'm like, would I not? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section, bro. Oh no, I know y'all heard that, bro. Who knows? But yeah, we're on our way right now, bro. I figured I just, check in real quick, bro. Cause I saw that, I was like, no freaking way. That thing. I mean, I don't know. It's not bad, but it's like, you know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe it'll take some growing to get used to, bro. As you see, bro. Look, we official now, bro. We official now, bro. On the way to work ski, I was listening to that Frankie. No cap, bro. No cap. All right, let me lock that real quick. Bruh, chat. Tell me why, bruh. I made it to work, dude, and as I'm going through a turn, bro, I hear something like metal fly out, bro, like from underneath the car. The pedal gets a little buzzy, and I'm like, oh no, bro. I think it was my motor mount, bro, one of the bolts, bro. Because tell me why when I accelerate, obviously the motor starts rocking back and forth, bro. Oh my god, dude. What? So now we're gonna have to limp. When I get home, when I get off, I'm gonna have to limp the car home, bro. Right? Bro, such a drag. I gotta figure out if it's the bracket or the motor mount itself. Because when I was just now, I started smelling the polyurethane from the motor mount bushing itself. I'm like, oh boy. It never ends, man. It never ends. But it's partially my fault, bro. But we'll get into that later, bro. But for now, we're gonna head inside, bro, and get, it's still a good day, man. Don't, bro, I swear to God, anything ever happens whenever I pick up the camera, bro. Golly, but hey, that's more content for you guys, so, hey, I don't see what's wrong with it. Shit. But yeah, we're gonna get inside to work, bro, and then we're gonna get to work, bro. That old girl, bro. Oh my days. Oh my days. She looks good though. I can't lie, bro. I can't lie. Let's get some B-roll going. So we're bored, bro. Buddy started taking apart radios, bro. This is my radio. It got a crack in it. Just a slight dent in the front. Nothing crazy. So we're gonna have to get a new screen / digitizer combo for this bad boy. And this bad boy gonna be ready to go. And then this buddy over here, what are you doing, bro?
This one is the
widescreen of death, bro.
Yeah. Typically, they said this is caused by bad solder joints. So I just wanted to see what it would look like in there.
Tight. But yeah, bro. Look, bro, we just needed something to do real quick, bro. Our next appointment is until 2:30, bro. I mean, it's supposed to be, it's 2:28 right now, but like, yeah. So I'll probably pick it back up once we get something crack-a-lacking. I don't know. We'll see. Well. I'm like a bird. I want to fly away. Anyways, we're back, bro. Finally off. What time is it? It is, I can't even read that. Hold on, wait. 6:18, bruh. Hopping into Whippington, bruh. Going Homington, bruh. Holy freak. Alright guys, so honestly that's probably it for this portion of the day, because I thought I was doing something after when I got off, but I guess not. So we're gonna pick this back up tomorrow. Yeah, sounds like a game plan, buddy. What is up guys? It is the next day, bruh. Currently 7:38. Bruh, supposed to get off a little bit earlier, but you know, things happen, man. But we're on our way to get this video on the road. So yeah, thought I'd check in real quick before I start the action. You know how it be, bruh. Just gotta yap real quick and then get down to the nitty gritty. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Finally, we're getting, you know, getting to work here. But yeah, we're in the Jeepington today, bruh. The Civic, bruh. We gotta figure that out, bruh.
Hi, will you be using the mobile app today?
Yeah, I placed my order on the mobile app.
Alright, would you like your receipt?
No, thank you.
Nice window.
All right, thank you. I got hungry. Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you. Well, look at that. Not even a hello or nothing, just a straight handout. What do you have to say?
I've been waiting for almost 2 hours.
I've been waiting for... What about me, huh? What about me, man?
What about you?
Well, we're here. The main event. Yes, we're finally doing what we came here to do a while ago. Just got done eating and grubbing down. McDonald's was banging, bro. I can't lie, bro. But we're here. First thing on the tackle list, to-do list. Boom. Let's get a POV, not POV, a little ASMR clip. Wow. Bow, 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 bow. Hey. All right, guys. Let's get this bad boy on, bro.
Just to take a life, nigga gon' do it for free. Black out, how about the beat? Like if I got me an issue, that's solving the problem.
All right, this is what we got to work with. See, we got I would show you the other side, but I don't feel like getting up. You already seen it, bro. Jeez.
These niggas be up all night, just capping that nigga, just caught them a plea. My twin just got a new Drake and he rapped it okay. I shoot from the 3. I roll me up some Zop. I light me up this blunt. I go hit up this bitch. She said she wanna crush tonight, but nah, babe, that's not it. I'm stupid up, I'm really trapping, stacking like a bitch. But love, that's not it. I'm really high as shit. I really throwing fits just to take like nothing piss. I thought this fuck bitch tried to drink. These niggas sipping counterfeit. This bitch she clogging on my bro. I'm talking all this shit. And there you go talking all this shit. Like bitch, I'm rich as fuck. I cannot beef with you. I'm by the hoe. I'm in New York with Janji. Just spent 200 in another stove. I wake up, see like that. He asked me, do I got some gas to smoke? I told him twin, just sit down. No, I got some Zao. Okay, we'll talk. He talking shit, we give him roll. Niggas talking shit, we gonna hang him. I like the red nigga, I say the whoa. I tell her it's fruit punch cause I stained. She know this drink is fucking dangerous. I'm in stew and I pop me a hydro, think I'm famous. I roll me up some Zao.
Well. After all that work, finally got it back in. Door handle is handling now. And then, as you saw in the B-roll earlier, quick little scrubbing of the door, make it look a little bit better. I don't know if you could tell in person, but I mean, on the camera, but in person, it looks definitely a lot better than what it was before. And then we got a new switch here, so the passenger side rolls down now as well.
Now I don't gotta reach over all the way from the driver's side to the passenger side to close my window. This is great.
Next on the to-do list, getting this bad boy out, replacing it with that bad boy, and then getting that bad boy up there replaced with that bad boy down there. Well. We got that bad boy out. We got that bad boy out. We got all the bad boys out. You know what Chris Fix says? Out with the old.
In with the new.
Well. Got everything back together. Looking good. However, backlight does not work.
Even though it was working in the other car.
I can neither confirm nor deny because I
I
never
can
seen it.
confirm because I sent you a picture of it. I'm thinking of?
Well, let's go back to that picture real quick. Let's zoom in. I don't see any lights on that thing.
I swear to you, it was working. I swear I saw it. It had the temperature on it and everything.
Hey, at least it looks good. That's all that matters. At least the AC still works. That's all that really matters.
I'm gonna cry.
She's saying like that, like she did all the work.
I like me up this bluff. I go hit up this bitch. She said she wanna crush tonight, but nah, babe, that's not it. I'm stupid up, I'm really trapping, stacking like a bitch. But look, that's not it. I'm really high as shit. I really throwing fists just to take like nothing pigs. I thought this fuck bitch I should drink. These niggas sipping counterfeit. That bitch she clogging on my body. I'm not talking all this shit. And there you go.
Well. That is gonna effectively end today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Just a little short video for today. Nothing crazy. We still got more bangers coming soon, bruh. Don't you worry, bruh. But yeah, hope you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, bruh, because we're obviously coming. We just started, bruh. You know what I mean? 3 videos in, 3rd video. Yeah. Other than that, have a good one. Peace.
Bitch, I'm rich as fuck, I cannot beef with you, I'm by the hoe. I'm in New York with Jenny, just spent 200 in another stove. I wake up, see like that.